Hi friends, let me show you this new dog food container with wheel. It is a large capacity container. It is collapsible, that's why it looks small, but it can hold up to 20 pounds of food, okay? It comes with wheels, measurement scoops, and even a small food tray for your pets. Also foldable. You can bring it with you. If you travel, if you go hiking or any outdoor activity, you can bring it with you for either water or food, okay? Let's put the wheels on it. And there you go. This is the food tray, and you can see through this clear lid to check on how much food you still have. Let's try it. As you can see, this is really convenient. You still can put so much food more in the container, and it will be perfectly airtight, so your food stays well for longer. When you are ready, you can use this measuring cup or this one, depending on your dog's size and needs, and you can use it like this. And you can move it around easily with the wheels. When you are ready, you pour the food and give it to your pets. Perfect, nice. You can put it anywhere you want. It has wheels, and your pet's food will always be fresh. Thank you.